Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I'm very excited about today's video because today I'm going to be sharing with you 10 strategies for learning to love cleaning your house. I know it's really hard to get motivated to clean your house sometimes, but I'm here to help. These are strategies I use myself and they have worked for me. I am not an organized person by nature. I am actually very messy. I have so many ideas, I just can't focus anywhere and complete things. It's very tough to manage in here in this brain. Let's get on into it, and hopefully these will prove very useful to you and help you take the kind of care of your home that you dream of taking. First strategy is sometimes you just have to count to 3 and start. 1, 2, 3, go. Put one thing away. Start small. Don't look at the entire mess. Start with one thing. Put one thing away. Then put another thing away and take it one step at a time. If you're looking at the whole mess, you're never going to start. You're never going to know where to start. Just pick something up and put it away. Pick one thing and then just build on that. My second strategy is strike a 10-minute deal with yourself. If you're feeling lazy and like you don't feel like doing something, or if you're tired and you really want to go to bed, strike a deal with yourself. 10 minutes, poke around in the kitchen, put some things away, wipe down the counters. You can get so much done in 10 minutes that will make your morning so much better right before you go to bed. 10 minutes, tidy up the kitchen. You might not get it done, and that's fine, but it's going to be better than it was if you didn't do it. So I would definitely go ahead and invest the 10 minutes. My third strategy, go full on Mary Poppins. Blast the music, have a dance party, make it fun for yourself. Put everything in a pile in the middle of the room, see how fast you can put each thing away, turn it into some kind of game, and then treat yourself to something at the end that you really want. Maybe you can sit and watch YouTube videos for an hour, or maybe, you'll make your favorite snack. Something, anything that will entice your inner 5-year-old who doesn't want to clean and is throwing a fit. All right, my fourth tip is to make a good old-fashioned list and enjoy the satisfaction of crossing it off. Get very specific though. You don't want to just write something general like clean bedroom. You want to break everything down, like make the bed, pick up the floor, start a load of laundry, things like that, and then you can get a lot of really easy wins out of that, and then you'll feel great about yourself in the end because you did 10 things. Fifth strategy is to invite people over. This is a catch-22 because you're going to have to clean up after they leave too. So you're just going to have to figure out if that's going to be worth it and if you're going to have the motivation to clean after they leave. However, regardless, you got it cleaned and you had a good time. I don't know. I think you should definitely do that one because it's a great excuse to have a party. 6, let's go to the next one. Rearrange the furniture. You will see so much dirt that you never see. Just go ahead, move something, even accent furniture or something like that. Just see if you can move things from room to room, freshen it up, make it exciting, and you'll want to see it all put together and you'll be motivated to put it in order. My next strategy is to change out your decor. That's what I'm going to do today. Whenever I decorate for a new season, I like to start with a clean house. So I'll go through, pick everything up, put everything away, and then I'll gather all of my decor that's out onto the kitchen table, pack it up, and then I'll go and get new season stuff down and I'll have a clean slate to work with. I also like to put a good dinner in the crock pot so that at the end of a decorating day, I can just enjoy my clean decorated house. It all looks new and it all looks different and it all feels comfortable and taken care of, and I get to have my crock pot dinner with my husband, and it's a great day. I highly recommend that day. My next strategy is the 8th strategy, which is to watch inspiring cleaning videos on YouTube. My favorite person to follow is her channel is called Love Meg, and I've been following her for a couple of years, but if you put on a video of someone else cleaning their house and they're busting their butt and getting after it, you're going to be motivated to do it too. So especially if they have good music on there and show you how they clean, maybe you'll be motivated to try something new and it'll make it a little bit more fun for you. So definitely find a YouTuber to follow. If it's not Love Meg, follow one that resonates with you. There's literally endless possibilities. You can follow so many different people have cleaning channels. It's crazy. Next strategy is buy cleaning supplies you're excited to use. And I stole this from Love Meg because she put it in a video that she posted a couple years ago. And this one was a game changer for me because I finally just allowed myself to spend money on whatever cleaning supplies I wanted. I mean, I didn't go crazy, but just like a counter spray that you think smells really good or something new you're curious about and you want to try, like go ahead and do it. Do it. Have fun. Buy a new candle. Something that's going to make you want to make your house nice. Something that's going to motivate you to make your house how you want it. My 10th tip is going to go a little deeper, and it is to come at cleaning from a place of gratitude. Think of it as an opportunity to nurture your house and make it a loving and inviting place for you to live. Not just the people who live with you, because sometimes it feels like we're only cleaning for other people and the other people who live with us, but we're actually doing it for ourselves. What kind of a home do you want to live in? How do you want it to feel? How do you want it to smell? How do you want everything to be arranged so that it feels good? It doesn't matter how big or small or nice or dingy your house is. There are things you can do just with effort and love and care that will bring your house to life and make it feel like a warm and inviting place for you to come at the end of the day. Does it feel like a nest? Does it feel safe? Does it feel warm? Does it feel clean? Does it feel good to you? And think about it like that. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed all of these strategies. I hope they motivate you to get your house clean. And please let me know what strategies you use to get yourselves motivated. If any of them are different, if you have something that works really well for you, I'd love to hear. So go ahead and leave that in the comments below. Like this video if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to the channel if you'd like to see more of my homemaking content. And I will see you all in the next one. Bye.